Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bitrate on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of bitrate on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first you can go to apps and you can click on YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.